AI Logo Studio Review. Hey there, welcome to my review of AI Logo Studio. In this video, we're going to take a look at a demo of AI Logo Studio in action and the type of logos you could create with this software. And we'll also go over the pros and cons of this specific business model in general. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. I've been doing this at home for over 10 years now, which is really cool. So hopefully all that experience, seeing lots of these different systems come and go, will help you out as you research AI Logo Studio reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below, click that link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that number one recommended online system. So with AI Logo Studio, basically you use AI by giving it prompts and a description of what the type of logo you're looking for, and AI will generate a number of different logos for you, and you can select the best one. In addition to the AI logo creation tool and their drag and drop editor, they do seem to have some sort of marketplace you can sell the logo on, but from what I've seen, it's more of a website template which lets you list logos for sale and take payments for them on your own website. So it's not really a marketplace with traffic and buyers already built into it. It's just your own freelancer style website to help promote your logos. I'm skeptical of that part of the software, but the logo generation bit looks quite useful. So let's take a look at the demo of AI Logo Studio. Basically, you type in your brand name and the tagline that you want to appear under the logo, if anything. I think it's sometimes more professional not to have that tagline. And then you can select a number of options, including the font style and the color scheme. And what they will do is they'll give you a selection of different options for your logo with the logo name written out in text, and then they'll create an AI image to accompany it. And then you've got this drag and drop editor where you can select the logo you like the look of the best and then edit it and tweak it with their drag and drop editor software. So you can add different features to the logo, you can change the text, you can change the tagline and the image, the coloring, and add any effects you want just to make the logo look how you want it to look. I think these drag and drop editors are essential because if you're doing logo design for a client, normally they're going to want to tweak the first draft you give them. And if you're just using completely AI, you can't subtly edit it. They've got this traffic feature where you can share your logo, which doesn't make any sense at all. There's no need to share a logo because a logo is specific to your website or to a business. I guess this could help if you're running a freelancing business and sharing your portfolio to clients and you've got clients on all of these platforms. But just having these social media sharing tools for getting traffic and the link you're promoting is a logo seems quite strange, but it could help for freelancers to promote their business. And then the last part of it is this marketplace, which isn't really a marketplace. It's just a website template that you have control of where you can list your logos for sale. People aren't really going to just buy a logo for a specific business name if their business is called something different. Maybe if someone's starting up a completely new business from scratch, it could give them ideas for brand names and they may want to buy the logo for that. But if it doesn't have a domain name or something accompanying the logo, I don't see the point in that type of marketplace. And you've also got an AI content generator where you can create text-based content with AI, so you can also have a freelancing gig for text generation instead of just logo generation. And then you've also got an image generation tool as part of that. The ways you could monetize AI Logo Studio would be to sell these logos as a freelancer and put a gig on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com and use the prompts that your client gives you, feed it into AI Logo Studio and give them a choice of logos to use. Alternatively, you could use these logos for your own website if you're a marketer and you're launching new sites on a regular basis. Or if you're selling domain names, you can have a logo to accompany a domain name to make it stand out more. A good place to browse logos for websites for sale and domain names for sale is brandbucket.com. And these logos look really professional. They're very simple and sharp, and they look like big companies. And then you can buy these logos accompanying with a domain name. So that would make more sense if you were to have your own website marketplace with AI Logo Studio, is to sell the domain name, the .com domain name with the logo. And also these domain name branding logos look more high quality than the very basic logos that AI Logo Studio gave you. I think it's good for simple logos for your own niche websites and doing simple Fiverr gigs for low cost with AI Logo Studio. For the higher ticket, big company brands and big domain names, big projects, I think AI Logo Studio is more at the beginner end of the scale, but still useful for the software you get at the low price. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my AI Logo Studio review. What I do to earn a full-time income online is I don't do freelancing, because for me that's almost a bit too like a job. I like to do affiliate marketing, getting traffic, building that list, and enjoying the process of getting consistent clicks to proven sales pages. If you want to discover my #1 system for generating a realistic income online right now, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description below. That's my #1 recommended system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for my #1 recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my AI Logo Studio review. All the best and speak soon.